Hey guys, welcome back to episode 13 of Donations. So in this episode we will be hitting level 91 and we are 200 donations away from that. So I have a few things to discuss with you guys in this video, and they are mainly about new games that I'm going to bring to my channel. So the first game that I was thinking of bringing to my channel is Agar.io. So a few of you might know that game, but make sure you go search it up, and there are quite a few Agar.io YouTubers out there, so you can go watch a few videos on that. But I know that there are quite a few Agar.io fans out there, and I know that there are a lot of Agar.io YouTubers, so I thought that since it's quite an interesting game, I might bring it to my channel, and it might bring a few new subscribers. And the other game is Clash Royale. So the reason that I thought that I might bring that into my channel is because I know that nearly every other Clash of Clans YouTuber who used to be Clash of Clans YouTuber is posting videos of Clash Royale. Now I know that there are quite a few, one being Brendan, and I know that there's Chief Pat, Galadon, and all those kind of YouTubers are bringing Clash Royale into their channel. So I personally don't favour the game that much, but because it seems to be quite a popular game on YouTube, I thought I'd bring it to my channel, and I'm sure that a few of you might like to see that. So it will mainly be about you guys helping me how to play this game, because I am not too good at it, and I do need you guys' help to make a deck so that I can use it and actually win battles. So I'm at around 700 trophies right now on that. So I will be asking you guys, and you can put in the comments what deck you think I should make. When I bring this game to my channel, you will see what cards I have, and you can choose what deck you want me to make. And another thing that I will be doing is making base builds. So I thought that a lot of other Clash of Clans YouTubers also do that. So I thought I'd do that just so it can help you guys out and give you guys some good bases. So I will give you guys this base. That will probably be the first base. Now most of the bases that I make will not be my own, they will be other YouTubers. So I'll just bring that so you guys can see them and go make them and have a good base to use. So obviously at Town Hall 6 it is the hard Town Hall to defend. Now the reason that I say that is with Town Hall 6 you're finding Town Hall 7s, 8s and 9s, and mainly Town Hall 7s and 8s, but they are finding you and they are destroying you. Now I know that they have been doing that to me, but it's because at Town Hall 5 that's the low Town Hall level, so you find low town halls, but at Town Hall 6 you find all these high town halls and they all want to attack you, and because you're like the lowest of the low, they're all going to attack you and they're all going to win. So that's what makes it so hard to defend, but these are just bases to help you guys out, and I'm sure they will. So I think it is 450, so we are 200 away, no 50 away, sorry. So we're now 40 away from leveling up, and it was 250 at the start of this video, so I did lie again. My mistake. Sure, I'll try and work on that. I seem to be doing that a lot, but oh well, you guys are going to have to deal with it. But make sure you come and join my clan, guys. You can stay full, all that kind of stuff. We do need to win wars. We are close to level 3, and it's not that hard to level up. To level 2, it was actually really easy. We only won like 2 or 3 wars when we got there. But it's been more difficult to win wars now because I did bring my other account in there, so I matched up with harder people. But I need you guys to help me so we can actually win these wars and get more stars and all that kind of stuff. But I am also trying to get stars on this account, so in the future I will be joining clans like Savage 7 for my trophy pushing clan. I'll be joining like Wreck and Go at like Town Hall 9 for my donation clan, and I'll be doing all that kind of stuff. So I'll be joining different clans, and I will be leaving this clan so I can go do that. So also, if you have a base that you want me to build and that you've seen, well, I guess you won't want me to build it because you've already seen it, but if you do want me to build a base and you can tell me what kind of base you want, I can try and make one, and if I think that it's working well, I will share it with you guys. But I'm not that great of a base builder, so I doubt that would be happening. But I do play Agar.io a little bit, so I should have a fair few videos for you on that. But the reason that I'm bringing these new games to my channel is because I want more content for you guys to watch. And I know there are people out there that like Clash Clans, there are people out there that like Clash Royale, and there are people out there that like Agar.io. So that brings 3 different types of people into my channel, so it gives me more subscribers and all that kind of stuff. So that's just how that's going to work. And if you have any questions or want a new game to come into my channel, you can just ask me on my Instagram or in the comments down below, and I will either think about it or do it and bring that game to my channel. But that's basically that. And so I already have a few games on my channel, so yeah, I don't know if I'll bring any more, but I will need you guys' help to help me play the games, and you can give me some tips and tricks, and I'll be sure to think about that. And you guys can ask what kind of series you want to see out of those games. So I know that a lot of Agar.io YouTubers put like teaming videos, so I'll probably try and do that, and all those kind of different videos I will try and post. But that will be all for this video, guys. As you can see, we have just leveled up to 91, and you guys can go follow my Instagram. My level will be on there now. So once you do that, you'll have all my content, and I don't know if I'll be posting content on Instagram of my new games. I could, but maybe not. I don't know yet, but I'll think about it. But I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you like and subscribe. Go find someone to subscribe to my channel, and I'll make that subscribers video. So that's just going to be like a whole bunch of replays put together into one video. And that's basically that, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.